Welcome to WritersER, your go-to place if you're working on a big project like a dissertation or thesis for your master's or PhD. We know these projects can feel huge and a bit scary. That's why we're here, to make things easier and to help you save some time and stress. We cover everything from how to do a literature review to writing up your research and making sure your grammar and style are on point. If it's about writing for your degree, we've got your back. Today, let's chat about something super important for your dissertation: research methodology. Think of it as the toolbox that helps you gather your information, test your ideas, and show others how you got your results. It's big stuff because how you pick and use your tools makes your project stand out. Some folks think the more hours you put into your research, the better it will be. But it's not just about how much time you spend, it's about how you use that time. Getting smart with your research methodology means you can dig deeper into your topic, find more exciting stuff, and make your arguments more substantial, all without working yourself to the bone. So how do you pick the right tools for your research? It comes down to two types: qualitative and quantitative. Qualitative is all about understanding the why and how. It's like being a detective, looking for clues in people's stories, their actions, and their feelings. This method is excellent when you want to get into the details and explore your topic in depth. Quantitative, on the other hand, is about numbers. It's like being a scientist, measuring things, doing surveys, and using stats to see what's going on. This method works well when you want to see the big picture or prove your point with complex data. Which tool do you prefer to use in your research? Share to us your thoughts in the comments. But choosing your method is just the start. The real magic happens when you use your preferred method well. Plan carefully, ask sharp questions, and be ready to adapt if things aren't working out. Remember, talking about your ideas with friends, teachers, or online can open new ways of thinking and help you solve problems. We're almost at the end, but remember that doing a big project like this isn't just about finishing it. It's also about learning lots, getting better at figuring things out, and sharing something cool and new with others. Your research method is your path through this adventure, helping you make your project as good as it can be. Before you go, consider this: how does choosing the suitable research method make your project easier or better? Do you have any tips or stories about using different research methods? Drop them in the comments. We love hearing from you, and it helps everyone else out too. And hey, if you found this video helpful, give us a like, share this video, and hit subscribe. We're here to help make your research journey a little smoother, and we have loads more tips and tricks to share. Remember, it's not just about working hard on your research, it's about working smart. Picking the suitable method helps your work shine. So keep at it, stay curious, and let's tackle this research adventure together.